Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to add or set up email on iPhone Mail app. So let's get started. So let's go to the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Then simply in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Mail and tap on it. Then inside the Mail settings, you will see a list of options available. Then just tap on Accounts. In the Account section, tap on Add Account. Then in Add Account, you will see a list of popular email providers like iCloud, Google, Yahoo, Outlook, etc. Then tap on any of your email provider account. Then enter your email address and password associated with your Gmail account and tap Next. And that is it, guys. After setting up your email account, you can access your email by opening the Mail app on your iPhone. Your newly added email account should appear in the Mailboxes section and you can start and receiving emails. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.